In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from drawings in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll have a clean, transparent background behind your sketch or inked artwork, ready for coloring, compositing, or sharing. Start by opening your drawing in Affinity Photo. A high-resolution scan or clear photo with decent contrast between the subject and the background will make selection easier. But whatever you have will work. Once the image is open, look to the tools on the left and choose the Selection Brush tool. This tool lets you paint a selection, and it's perfect for flat backgrounds behind line art. With the tool active, make sure you're set to add to the selection. Then begin brushing over the background you want to remove. You'll see a marching ants outline appear as you paint. It's often easiest to start near the edges of your drawing and work outward, letting Affinity Photo detect the boundary between the lines and the paper. If the selection creeps into your artwork, simply undo or switch the brush to subtract mode and paint that area back out. For tight corners, small gaps, or delicate ink lines, adjust the brush size to be smaller so you can control the selection more precisely. You can change brush size quickly with bracket keys or by using the size slider. A softer brush can help with slightly fuzzy edges, while a harder brush can keep the selection crisp around clean line work. When you've covered the background, click Refine in the Context toolbar to clean the edges. The Refine view gives you a clearer preview and tools to improve the boundary. Use the refinement brush carefully along tricky edges, hairline strokes, or light pencil marks, and adjust the refinement settings like feather or smooth to control how soft or precise the edge should be. Keep an eye on the preview to make sure the lines stay sharp and the background remains fully selected. Once the edges look right, click Apply to confirm the refined selection. Now, with the background still selected, click Add Mask. This immediately hides the selected background and reveals your drawing on a transparent canvas. The mask makes this non-destructive, so you can always tweak it later by painting on the mask with black to hide or white to reveal. That's it. You've removed the background from your drawing in a clean, controlled way, and you still have the flexibility to refine the mask at any time as you continue polishing your artwork.